Charlotte Oduro made a good man suffer. The man really suffered.
Charlotte Oduro, me say, I was Jawa, no more force man it's not worry anymore. Or some force no, and man it's not worry anymore because or ya cancel.
Munya Jimmy no, Obi can't send my one for 2 suit.
I say no coming in ya some share. I say no coming in ya some share. No so do one best was some said Okono. Or the Beko si jaso ama ubia tobio. Entiria simobi do wa yewu. Abusia se wasem ma media no so abadun se Ghana fo nyina pe wasem na ye do na wasem to media ne so a ehona be nu wadofo ene watamfo. Charlotte Oduro, Reverend marriage counselor na warrior ego no as spark a conversation any confusion e wo media no so Afia Schwar be kana adwene je se obia e kana adwene e wo media no so ha Penyah blood media mesere wa se obe like video na obe subscribe button so na be turn the notification icon on na be tere wadwene area ma me e wo comment section Etienka Bishop enro awale fefefe is between Rev Charlotte Oduro and Nukru Solomon Oduro.
That's my baby, yes. Yeah.
You can just judge.
Yeah.
The two of us. Who's good?
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're no more than me.
I know you're beautiful, but you see
what?
Fresh guy, fresh boy.
Who is the old woman?
Oh, maybe later.
Omole fefefe is a media so na omo abia jodo na spec omawade no abia role model to many people ana me kura me kan wada so na mystery omawade no sira bia metimi awade bi na ayefe enra yenka me hye no say Nukru Solomon Oduro no e di press statement e ba bonten na no kirem say awale ndie tintontan wagu no ontimi ntran ho bie wontimi wo dabi de wontimi ntran ho bie etina wa e de na si ye eti e kaya years back ye won say Nukru ene zan fellas ekwe interview na o tiem say oba ni mu ade
yes no you say now umumi and on your influence so free me am not for so for and he wasn't ready to submit as a woman. She wasn't ready to submit as a woman, and also onimni otie a lot means a man woman you know where be man or bambu or ban appreciate what area and you know she wanted to divorce so many occasions but me no me now
na yiri ni mu ade o nya oba obre ne ho ase ene se nim se Reverend Oduro so de na no ade o ye marriage counselor so kasa media no think say yes o ware na ware be ye de
You see, pumping men, and the young say, I don't know, my dear pampan, no come baby, over cow. He goes come baby and for them, make it on him, you're going to say, your husband always remember, let's pump on them. When you come, my dear, done for not to massage and I say, hey, a day, and Magua who must so be a pride is killing women. Pride when they get little chicken change, but they have little in their account and they have connection. People they know me, I know this, I know it, man, they don't know anybody. Keep quiet and submit. I'm not losing my husband for any woman too. I won't do it. Or because he cheated. Maybe the fault is coming from me.
enti eba ne say e mo ne hunu say Charlotte so abe video no so e blame Nukru
To live with a liar, Nana, on my own things different. That's why I can say, why do you have a problem? Because you see the thing, but I was saying sanity. Now, Obe converse to the point. Say, Obe Jenny say, "Who have a problem?" Oh, no, correct. Or draw fast now. And Obe come easy.
so bad to get married to a liar. In fact, Bema wonimu trocha. Oh, adiwe ye kokko won say kokko bo so boa e ye tuntum and obe converse wa. Amwa je say adini tuntum. Let's go near say ye kokko. Let's say we so ma wale ye hu de eko.
Hello, dear. I have discovered something in life that we are not supposed to be loved by everybody. I thought the business would be town on Pewasema. Am I how?
Don't just marry you. Mudia nemushi obia okwanwa na mudine chino. Obia bi ne na ba sare. Mama, I want to show my fiancé to you. Who was me kadai? Maybe what the ba me chene nya na ka chewo.
But Enra, awade ni gu ye na eni hu say Charlotte abe video waka say oh, sometimes it is good to open the door for some people to go.
Sometimes you just have to end everything. Sometimes you have to open the door for some people to walk out of your life. Sometimes the people you are comfortable with, the people you think they love you, the people you've trusted. Sometimes you need to open your door to let them out, because some of them are there, they are pinning you, but they're the same people comforting you. There's some people, they behave as if they love you. They are still in your camp, they are still with you, taking information to your enemies. Please take the bold step. Make a decision, open your door and suck them out of your life.
Don't force yourself if you can't. Just open the door for them to go. And Charlotte Oduro is so following here. There was a time when I all preaching against makeup. So bad here, ukoye makeup that they are enye. But no pay, interestingly, no pay. Wakoye makeup, I could you name. There was a sad name of your question on social media. The one for the Munti boom. FRD Charlotte Ayano. So I'm begging come imagine.
Charlotte Oduro, me say, I was Jawa, no more force man it's not worry anymore. Or some force no, and man it's not worry anymore because or your council. Because I mean, oh, marriage counselor, I know what's a woo Jawa, and they say no, as well be a engine to move, as well be a engine to. It's all customer as I'm imagine who to. So I just because now I'm marriage counselor, and your husband go and cheat, and it is you, and you have to be a virtuous woman, and you have to a virtuous woman don't do this. Amonu, you have to say, Mami, someone can kapa. If your husband cheat on you, he comes back home, give him water to bath, give him food to eat, let him have sex with me say, Mami, wait, and someone can come because me say one day we the TV so on Reverend Tete, sir, pastor now what language baby, you know. On that TV so I think say that say UTV and I say TV3. I forgotten station no. Me say also free station one on debate. I say more marriage or more marriage counseling was him. Me say mami kasasa na so friend was say my sister. Don't talk like that too. If you have gotten a good marriage, it doesn't mean that everybody is going to have the same thing. And just say it here, mami said that. No day. And is yo. After the one video say sometimes you have to open door. Open which door? Hey, me say our real to sabrabo. It is a real sabrabo. And who so be ya dear. Uba say be a 1+1 A2. Who got na class 1+1. Uba reality 1+1 it means 0. 1+1 it utmi boka. 1+1 utmi boka. Now so on bet na TV so omu ma ye hu te say there. I te say omu de omu no mo good. Hey. As I said, they also open door. Open which door for who to leave? Mona to go back for front name no. My jail to mukra say marriage counselor I say mo can no bia omu no bia aboa because if they encounter the same situation now they can't apply what they are teaching others. They say situation they can't apply what they are teaching others. They will follow the masses now, but over the year near catch and that then they masa wawari and wa ni yo okona se nyana bese uja jai okona de mawa fanesa hey mo after the open door.
Charlotte Oduro made a good man suffer. The man really suffered. If you're a good man watching me, listen to this. Chase you for a whole year. What happened wasn't pursuing. It was chase because I didn't know what the man had seen. He did that for a whole year before this woman accepted him. That one said, she said some dream where she dreamed, where she decided to accept and went on to torture the man. In 8 years of their marriage, now she never apologized to the man before. All these things are out. Charlotte Oduro herself came out to say them. But I'm not going to blame her. I blame the man. Bro, you don't chase a woman for that long. You talk to her 1, 2, 3 and she's not willing to. Charlie, forget and then move on. Because if you keep chasing her, she will sit down and think of what she will feel benefit out of you. But now she say Juma, now about be accepted. About the agenda never. Me and you go fit testify say as Charlotte Oduro come out now. Where we can hear saying husband be pastor. Nobody know him in husband know. It be she way we know. Now we think say be she self where they own the church where she married. No, it be pastor they own in church. We married this one, but the woman was more vocal because she knew what she wanted. She wanted the fame. So she had to use the man because now the man still the chase her. So if you're a good man watching me, Do not look at what's happening to Charlotte Odoro's husband and say that, oh, I'm not going to be a good man again. No. What I want you to do is not chase a woman for that long. If you text them 1, 2, 3 and she know they give you response, Charlie, move on. After all, it be your time. It be your money you go take by airtime caller. Beginning, it be you go do most of the talking. Not even the beginning self. I mean, throughout the relationship, it be you go do most of the talking. Value your time. If you text somebody 1, 2, 3 and you know they get any proper response, move on. Go where you are accepted.
I'm a Afia Schwar thing as about counter defense, but they cannot be until more mono. Omato money I see Charlotte said as a munya butre, munya de moyano.
I catch them. Somehow we be what Jimmy Dodo, what Jimmy Dodo, what Jimmy Dodo. And two people that understood, agreed that Omobe Ware and almost Omo Ware Dim, Munya Jimmy no, Obi can't send my one for 2 on Simuti. Man, it doesn't sit well with me. But do I practice it? No. Do I listen to her? No. Stop fooling. What can someone for you and see what is about? Munya Jimmy no, or a counselor, and you couldn't want someone else. Muni answer.
Media no say that is was a Maya, but will be a pewase, but Yasem here. I want to be who a door for. And what time for do also a door pan on a best was him. I'll go see it just so. Amobi akotobie obetuma kyerɛ wadwene ɛwɔ comment section aha Penyah blog media akra